Kip G, weather overview. Thought we'd look at the temperatures first. This is for tomorrow. We start our warm up in and around the city. It'll be around 70, 60s elsewhere, even out on the island because the wind is going to be coming out of the west. So you're not going to get the wind off the water. So everybody will warm up nicely for Tuesday. Now, Wednesday, you notice it's still 70 in and around the city, but cooler out on the island because the wind comes from a more onshore direction. And this time of year, coming off the cool relative Atlantic waters, that's going to, cool your temperatures down, but still a pleasant day. And then Thursday, we warm it up again everywhere. And this is the crescendo, so to speak, of the week with highs around 80 in and around the city. You can see parts of New Jersey, most of New Jersey, 75 to 80 on Thursday before the front comes through Thursday night. And Friday, we cool it back down, but still highs around 70 as the wind is from the west rather than from the north. And then another decent day Saturday before showers move in Saturday night. And then look at this for Easter Sunday, much cooler with the wind coming out of the north with highs only in and around 60 for most places. Now, with the rain chances, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits, we're going to get a little bit of light rain overnight tonight into Tuesday, but it should be gone by the morning rush, and then we just set ourselves up for a few nice days here in a row. The next front moves through Thursday night. It's kind of hard to tell where the shower and thunderstorm activity is going to be, but I'm assuming that because of the warming temperatures ahead of the front, that we will see at least a chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms Thursday night. And then out it goes. We set ourselves up for Friday and most of Saturday looking decent, and then showers move in Saturday night, and that sets us up for a cooler Easter Sunday. You can see the winds blowing out of the north there, and it'll feel a lot cooler. Now, I'm skeptical about next week in the sense that I think rain will move in around Tuesday, but the bigger story might be the temperatures that I don't think are going to be going anywhere as far as appreciable warmth is concerned. I think that stringing together a few nice days in a row here is going to be all we can manage because, after this week, the upper air pattern is not favorable for warm weather in and around the area, especially in the eastern part of the United States. If you roll it forward, we go out all the way to Sunday and Monday of next week. And what starts to happen is a trough starts to develop in the eastern part of the United States. It's a pretty deep one. And my concern would be that temperatures are going to be sort of stuck in a below average situation. Now, below average relative to the time of year, it's not as painful as it could be if this were winter time, but it's going to be interesting to watch the temperatures next week to see how they respond. To see if we can actually get out of the 40s on a certain day, depending on how that trough amplifies in the eastern part of the United States. But overall, this week looks pretty decent. We are dealing with a few rain chances here and there. But the bigger story, I think, is the warmth from Tuesday through Thursday. We have the frontal system moves through on Thursday and then sort of a cool back down as we go towards Sunday. And that'll set us up for next week, which I think looks like it may be on the chilly side with that trough of low pressure situated in the eastern part of the United States.